Hi, I'm Aidan from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be taking a look over the Airpulse A100. Until a couple of days ago, I had not heard of Airpulse. I have, however, heard of Phil Jones. Phil Jones founded Acoustic Energy and designed the famous AE1, which was used in Abbey Road Studios among many others. He designed the technical and aesthetics of this speaker. Each cabinet is made from 18mm thick high-strength MDS with a piano lacquer finish. The interior is lined with a professional-grade sound absorption material to reduce unwanted coloration in your sound. The tweeters are horn-loaded ribbon tweeters which provide a crisp and airy audio, while the 5-inch aluminium cone provides more bass with less distortion. The internal wiring has been made by Transparent, a well-known cable brand. It's high-res audio certified and has built-in dual Class D amplifiers with a subwoofer output. Along with the speakers, Airpulse has provided this extremely polished accessory box. When you open the box, the first thing you'll see is a manual with a polished cloth and cloth gloves for handling. The large brown cable is the speaker connection cable to link the two speakers together. The silver cable is the USB cable to play music directly from your computer. Above that is your standard figure 8 power cable along with two hook and loop cable tidies. On the left you'll get an optical cable, a jack to RCA and RCA to RCA cable, and just above that is the small remote control. So on the rear of the A100 you can see there's quite a lot going on. This is obviously the master speaker. This is the one that you plug the power into down there. You've got your on and off switch, and then you've got your equalizers on here, your treble, your bass, and also your volume as well. You've got, by the looks of it, a auxiliary input and a PC input, which again is just another auxiliary input. You've got your USB input, you've got your optical, and you've got your sub out. And then you've got your speaker out as well, which is the wire to connect your other speaker to. We're actually going to be looking at setting them up in our system here. So the first thing you should know is, first of all, take off all of your jewellery. These have a really nice lacquer finish on them and we wouldn't want to create any scratches. In your accessory pack that you would have received with these, you have a polishing cloth as well as gloves. Now in this particular video, I am going to be putting the gloves on because there's going to be a lot of manhandling with these speakers. So once you've got your gloves on, go ahead, set up your foam desktop stands in the position that you want them at. The thicker end at the front, like so. Now you'll have both speakers. One will be the active speaker. You'll know the active speaker as it will have all of the ports on the rear. Now the active speaker is your right speaker, so that should go on the right side. And just place it so all of the feet are sitting nicely on your foam desktop stand, and then do the same with the other speaker. Again, the slave speaker being the left speaker, so that fits on there nicely. Once you've all got them on there, go ahead and get your cables out. So the first thing you'll need is your power cord, and the only other thing really you'll need to get up and going is the speaker connection cable. So first step, go ahead and plug the power into the speaker. And then plug it into the power. Now before switching it on, you want to go ahead and plug in your speaker connection cable. In a normal situation, you'd obviously want to tidy up all of these wires to make sure they're not showing. Now once you've got the speakers plugged in, turned on the rear, there is one more step to turn them on. On the rear of the speaker, the top knob will be your volume control, and that's also a button as well. You'll have to press that in to turn the speaker on. You'll notice on the bottom of the active speaker, there is a small bar, which is your status bar, which will tell you essentially what source you're on. Currently we're on PC, and every time you click the button, it will swap the source over. So it will scroll through all of the options. And you can see for the Bluetooth, it shows the little Bluetooth icon. That means we're ready to pair to it. Pairing to these speakers are like pairing to any other ordinary Bluetooth device. There's no pin and no passcode. So once you're in Bluetooth mode, go on your phone, look up a Bluetooth device, you'll see these speakers show up, connect to them. Once you're connected, you're able to then start playing music. It's really that easy. Thanks for watching. You can find this and other great home audio products on our website, www.kbaudio.co.uk. If you like this video, click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified when we next release a video.